Hey, how's everyone doing? Today got 5 boxes of Turkey Red Baseball that we're going to do a live break of, so hopefully that's why you're here. Good luck to everyone. This will be pretty quick. 11 cards in each box, one of them being an autograph. So, our first box. Let's see what we got. We've got Stanton for the Marlins, Justin Upton for the Diamondbacks, Wallace for the Astros, Tim Lincecum for the Giants, Clayton Kershaw for the Dodgers. Here's our autograph. It is Jeff Niemann for the Tampa Bay Rays. And it's relatively low numbered. It's numbered out of 48. Number 36 out of 48. Also, Gio Gonzalez for the Nationals, Manny Machado for the Orioles, rookie card. Brandon Phillips for the Reds, Austin Jackson for the Tigers, Jonathan Papelbon for the Phillies. All right, got Albert Pujols there on the top for the Angels. So we have Pujols, CC Sabathia for the Yankees, Lester for the Red Sox, Matt Kemp for the Dodgers, Eric Hosmer of the Royals, and another Rays autograph. How about that? This one for Chris Archer. A little high numbered out of 689. Number 126 out of 689. Also, Asdrubal Cabrera for the Indians. Gene Segura for the Brewers. Felix Hernandez for the Mariners. Miguel Montero for the Mariners. No, Jesus Montero for the Mariners. And R.A. Dickey for the Blue Jays. All right. Box 3, we've got Josh Reddick for the A's, Carlos Beltran for the Cardinals, Hunter Pence for the Giants, Derek Jeter for the Yankees, Giovanni Gallardo for the Brewers, and also a Brewers autograph. It is Mike Fiers, 241 out of 689. Also, Jared Weaver for the Angels, Mark Trumbo for the Angels, Jimmy Rollins for the Phillies, Jake Peavy for the White Sox, and Adrian Gonzalez for the Dodgers. Box 4. Paul Konerko for the White Sox, Adam Dunn for the White Sox, Adam Kennedy for the Diamondbacks, Cole Hamels for the Phillies, Josh Beckett for the Dodgers, and an autograph for the Rockies. It is Tyler Colvin, and this one is relatively low numbered as well. Number 1 out of 29. Also, Troy Tulowitzki for the Rockies, Tyler Skaggs for the Diamondbacks, David Wright for the Mets, Adrian Beltre for the Rangers, and Curtis Granderson for the Yankees. And our final box. Hey, Bryce Harper there right on top. Base card, not an autograph. So, Bryce Harper for the Nationals. We've got Zach Greinke for the Dodgers, Starling Marte for the Pirates, another Carlos Gonzalez for the Rockies, Jose Altuve for the Astros. Boy, oh boy, another duplicate. Mike Fier's autograph again for the Brewers. Numbered 240 out of 689. Also, Yasmani Grandal for the Padres, Anthony Rizzo for the Cubs, Justin Verlander for the Tigers, C.J. Wilson for the Angels, and Joey Votto for the Reds. So that'll do it for this 5-box break. And I will get these cards out as soon as I can, probably tomorrow. So thanks a lot, everyone. Have a great night.